awork Connect allows you to share projects across your company's borders to easily invite clients, agencies, or freelancers. Thanks to awork Connect, you can give them access to your projects free of charge without making them a part of your workspace. I'm currently on a project homepage, and I would love to invite 2 external users. 1, a client from the IT team, and 2, a member of the agency that's working with me on the sustainability campaign. In order to invite them, I simply click on the Connect button. Here I could either select users from within my workspace, or I can invite external users. In order to invite an external users, I simply input their email address. Once I have gone ahead and invited both, I can also adjust their project-specific permissions. Here, I can decide on whether they should be able to see times or tasks, write, or not have any access to them at all. From here, I could also go ahead and resend invitations or revoke them altogether. As soon as the external users accepted their invitation, I'll be able to see them alongside all the other project members. I can see that this is an external user by the badge that is displayed next to their profile picture. If I would like to remove them and remove their access from this project at any stage, I can simply hover over them and click onto the little X to remove. Once I have removed them from the project, the data that they have created will remain, but it will no longer be assigned to the specific user. Lastly, let's have a look at the other perspective. I've just received an email invitation to join the sustainability campaign, which I have of course accepted. If I am not yet an awork customer, I can easily create a new workspace free of charge. In order to do that, I simply follow the invitation and input a few pieces of information, which I have gone ahead and done already. If there is an existing awork workspace tied to my email address, then I'll be led to that one. I can now see the external project in my sidebar and access it easily. I can also see all other project members and start collaborating with them on tasks and track times, according to my permissions. Good to know? I can only see the information in this project that I have been given access to. If you're looking for more information or tips and tricks, go visit our help center.